sunshine. Wanna go eat some breakfast? What's up guys, welcome back. As you guys can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a what my toddler and I eat in a day. So we've done one of these before, you guys love them, so I want to do more of these and give you guys some more ideas, because as you guys know, having a toddler, their palate literally changes every day. Like one day they love fruit, one day they hate fruit, one day they love eggs, the next day they hate eggs. So it can just be really hard and confusing. So I just want to show you guys some of the things that we eat in this house. Obviously no one's perfect, our diets aren't perfect. One day all of our meals are home cooked, one day we're always like we're eating out every single meal, we eat a lot of frozen food. So I just want to make this quick disclaimer at the beginning that we are all trying our best. Don't watch this and think, oh, I'm not feeding my child enough, or I'm not feeding my child these foods, so I'm doing this wrong. I don't want anybody to feel that way. Or if you guys are watching this video, some of you might be like, oh my God, she's giving her kid frozen food, she's giving her kids this, she's giving her kids that. So basically all I want to say at the beginning of this video is to not judge any other parent and do what's best for you and your family. We're all trying our best here, and again, this video is just supposed to give you guys some ideas. So with that being said, let's get into what we eat in a day. So always in the morning we start out with water. You guys know my infamous water cup. Mel actually bought this for me. Where'd you buy this from, babe? Ralph's? Yeah, he found this at the grocery store. So I love this water. It's 32 ounces. So I basically drink about 2 to 3 of these a day. Technically, you're supposed to drink half of your body weight in ounces. So I'm about 160 pounds. This is about 32 ounces. So half of my body weight is 80. So I want to show you guys Vaughn's cups, because whenever I show you guys these in videos or on Instagram, you guys are always like, where did you get these cups? These are the cutest little toddler cups. I got these off of Amazon. They come in so many different colors. Vaughn sees the cup and he's like, Ab actually means water in Farsi. So I just want to give you guys a size comparison. So I love these cups so much because they also keep their water cold, because obviously they're insulated. So these are 8.5 ounces. So Vaughn's about 30 pounds. So basically just needs to drink 2 of these a day, which he does, and he gets his water intake. Our favorite meal to cook for Vaughn in the morning is breakfast, because I feel like he always eats the best in the day. Wouldn't you say he always like eats his breakfast the best, babe? Yeah, like he always puts away his breakfast. So we always try to give him as much food in the morning, because honestly throughout the day he's not always that hungry. So I pretty much just try to have a carb, protein, and fat in his breakfast. So I always make sure to have those 3 food groups, and I know I'm set. So let's go ahead and get started on breakfast. So if you guys ever watched one of our what we eat in a days before, this breakfast will look pretty familiar, because honestly we make him the same thing pretty much every single day. So I'm starting out by just melting a little bit of grass-fed butter in the pan, and then I'm taking these vegan sausages. I'll put a picture of it on the screen. We've showed this in a video in the past, and we really like these for Vaughn. He loves them, and I don't know, they're vegetarian, they're vegan, so I'm like, why not? Then I'm also scrambling an egg in there as well. And I'll put a picture of the sausages on the screen. We get them from Target. So once I scramble up the eggs, I'm also going to make him a side of fruit. He always gets a ton of fruit in the morning. He loves mandarin oranges. Well, you guys are going to see later on in this video, he's going to barely eat them. But usually he puts like 2 of these away. And then we had this leftover fruit salad from a cookout we had over the weekend. So I just put some of that in there. I always like to put a little bit of cheese for him in his eggs. And I just call that cheese that I just showed you guys the Persian cheese, because we get it from the Iranian supermarket, and my mom literally is obsessed with that cheese. She eats it for breakfast every morning, so it always reminds me of her. But I just mashed a little bit of that feta onto the eggs. Then I just took an Eggo waffle, toasted it up, added some syrup, and that is his breakfast. Are you all done? So Vaughn ate all of his eggs, he ate all of his waffles, he didn't eat all of his fruit, so I'm actually going to keep that on the side and then give it to him while he's playing later. Mel got us Western bagel for me and him. So what we do with the coffee, their coffee is so good. We just use our own creamer. So here's the creamer we like, the Silk Almond Milk Creamer. So Mel got me my favorite. This is his Tuesday ritual, okay? So he goes and he films his True Talk Tuesday. You guys have, what are you? If you guys haven't watched his True Talk Tuesdays on Instagram, you're missing out, because he has great advice on there, but he always gets us breakfast on his way home, or I guess this is brunch. It's definitely not breakfast anymore. So I got my favorite. You guys know I'm going through a phase right now. So this is an onion bagel, and then on top of it, we have lox spread. So it's lox mixed with cream cheese, and then it's tomato, red onion, capers, and then I always add some salt and pepper on top. Mel got just a plain bagel and hash brown. Vaughn is also... Vaughn said, I want to show my food. I gave Vaughn his fruit that he didn't eat at breakfast, and so he just basically finished it up, and then he also ate half a hash brown or a full one. Hey guys, so during Vaughn's nap time, I just went and did a workout. I took a pole class. I actually took 2 pole classes back to back. And guys, I get such a good sweat. I get such a good workout in pole dancing class. I genuinely have so much fun in pole. So the fact that I burn so many calories in conjunction to having so much fun is just the icing on the cake. But I am exhausted and we do still have a day ahead of us. So I'm about to eat one of my favorite snacks on the go. So this here is my Verb energy bar. You guys have seen me talk about this before in the past, and I love these bars. Not only are they so delicious, but each bar has as much caffeine as an espresso. So they're all infused with organic green tea, and they give you that boost of energy without giving you the jitters and crash that come with drinking coffee or an espresso or anything like that. So I love these so much. You guys know they come in so many amazing flavors. This is currently my favorite flavor. This is chocolate chip banana bread. This is a seasonal flavor, but you guys know in their core flavors, my favorite is the double chocolate. So the double chocolate, I kid you not, literally tastes like a brownie. So the fact that it also gives you that caffeine boost, and all of them, they're only 90 calories. So again, chocolate chip banana bread has been my current favorite. So in their 6 core flavors, they have vanilla latte, double chocolate, blueberry crisp, lemon raspberry, and also coconut chai. And then as I mentioned, they also have their seasonal flavors as well. But they also sent me pumpkin spice. I haven't tried it yet, so I'm gonna try it soon and let you guys know what I think on my Instagram story. But chocolate chip banana bread is my jam right now. Here is what it looks like. There's just these tiny little convenient bars. And first of all, their packaging is so fire. I love the colors. I love the design. But chocolate chip banana bread, you guys, so freaking good. It literally reminds me of fall. Obviously fall is around the corner, so this is just like the perfect seasonal flavor. So again, I love just having these midday as a little pick-me-up. You guys can also have it in the morning in replacement of your morning coffee, or you guys could eat one of these to replace your second cup of coffee in the day, because you guys saw I already had coffee this morning. And again, I just love the size of them. They easily fit in my gym bag. So again, they're small, they're convenient. I keep them in my gym bag. They easily fit in your school bag, in your purse, wherever you need to go. And again, it just gives you that amazing boost of energy. So whether you're in school, you're a busy mom, you're on the go, or as a pre-workout, as a post-workout snack, these are just honestly the best, and I can't recommend these enough to you guys. I just need a little glass of almond milk, and this is my dessert. Oh my god, people are watching me. This is why I shouldn't film in a parking lot, but whatever. Let me wait till this car leaves. If you guys still haven't tried out Verb energy bars, y'all are in luck, because I have such an amazing deal for you guys. Y'all can get 60% off a full bag of Verb energy bars in your flavor of choice. So that's 12 bars plus an additional 3 bars in their top selling flavors, plus free shipping for only $10. So you guys can click my link down below. Again, you guys get 15 bars total. You get 12 in the flavor of your choice plus their top 3 selling flavors. So 15 bars for less than $1 per bar. So make sure you guys click the link down below. Thank you so much to Verb Energy for sponsoring today's video, and let's get on with the rest of this video. So while I was at my workout, Vaughn went down for a nap, and he's currently getting 2 bottles a day, one before his nap time and then one at bedtime. So he's taking 5 ounces in his bottle, and this here is Toddler milk. So it's the same brand of the formula he drank when he was younger, but this is like the next step. So it's made for ages a year and above. I'll link down below to the specific one that we use. And then to his bottle for before his nap time, we add his Toddler probiotic. I picked this up at Whole Foods the other day, and we just add half a teaspoon of that, and that just helps his digestion and stuff. And that's it for his bottle. So for Kayvon's lunch today, I wanted to try out a new recipe, and I'm always trying to figure out ways to sneak vegetables in his diet. I never thought I'd be one of those moms that say that. I was like, oh, my kid is gonna love vegetables because I'm gonna give him everything. But Vaughn never reaches for vegetables. I try to give it to him, but he does not just like, you know, he'd rather have like fruit or crackers or something like that. So I'm first taking a zucchini. This is 1 large zucchini, and I'm shredding it up in a bowl. And zucchini holds a lot of moisture, so all I'm doing here is just adding a little bit of salt, letting the salt sit on it for a little bit and giving it a stir just so the moisture kind of breaks out of it. I don't think that's the proper way to say it. Like the moisture kind of like draws out of it. And then I'm just going to let that sit for 10 minutes, and then I'm going to squeeze it with a paper towel to get all of the moisture out. And guys, I squeezed it a lot. You want to get as much of the excess moisture as possible. And then I'm doing the same thing with the grater. I'm taking a large carrot, and I'm just shredding that as well into a big mixing bowl. Then to the vegetable mixture, I'm adding 1/2 pound of lean ground turkey. You could use any meat you want, to be honest, or even like ground chicken. Then I'm adding 1/3 of a cup of flour. You can also use like almond flour or coconut flour or anything like that. Then I also added in an egg, and then I also added some mozzarella cheese. Then for the seasonings, I added garlic powder, turmeric, this salt-free chicken seasoning, and then a little bit of black pepper, as well as some fresh squeezed lemon juice. And I wish I added a little bit more salt because I used like all salt-free seasonings. I wasn't thinking, and they definitely could have used just a little bit more salt. But as you guys can see here, I just put a glove in my hand and I'm just giving them a good mixture and just squeezing that all together and making sure it's all evenly coated. So I know this part is probably gonna make some people mad because I'm frying them in oil, but you guys can do what you want, what's best for your kid, your family. If you guys want to put it in the air fryer, go ahead and put it in the air fryer. If you want to put it in the oven, go ahead and put it in the oven. If you want to put it in the deep fryer, put it in the deep fryer. I literally don't care what you guys do. Personally, for me, I think they taste better with a little bit of oil. This is how my mom always cooked like chicken patties and stuff for us, and that's how I like it. So I took some avocado oil in this cast iron skillet, and I just let that heat up, and I'm letting these, chicken patties cook up. And here I am giving them a nice flip. They only took a few minutes on each side, and they turned into this like really beautiful golden brown color. I love this recipe because you can honestly add whatever vegetables you want to it. You can add potato, you can add squash, you can stick these in the freezer, you can just keep them in the fridge and meal prep them for your toddler, and they're just so perfect. So Mel whipped us up some burgers real quick with the leftover turkey meat. So we're literally just eating literally just bread, cheese, and turkey. So yeah, nothing special, no sides, literally just eating this real quick. So Mel ended up cooking dinner this night, and pretty much when Mel's cooking dinner, we got 2 options on the menu. Either it's chicken burgers, turkey burgers, or it's spaghetti. So this night he is making us spaghetti, and we make spaghetti with turkey meat. You guys know Mel doesn't eat beef, and honestly I like that he doesn't eat beef because it keeps me from eating it too much, because I feel like if he ate beef too, we'd just be eating it way too much. But we're just using this little meat chopper here that I got off of Amazon. If you guys cook with a lot of ground meat, I highly recommend you guys get that. It just makes it so easy to break up the meat. And yeah, you guys can just see it's just doing it so much better than if you were to use like a wooden spoon or something like that. So once the meat fully cooked through, he's just seasoning up the meat with a little bit of garlic salt and then a little bit of Italian seasoning as well. And then for the sauce, we just use jar sauce, to be honest. We usually use Rao's, R-A-O, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. But they were out at the store, so we picked up this one instead. And it was honestly really good. I didn't see like a big difference between this one and the other one we use. And then to that jarred sauce, he adds a little bit of sugar. Comment down below if y'all add sugar to your spaghetti. I feel like spaghetti is not complete without a little bit of sugar. Then he's also adding a little bit of black pepper and some garlic powder as well, and giving that a good stir. Then to a pot of boiling water, he's just adding the noodles. So, I mean, this recipe isn't really anything groundbreaking. Like, it's pretty much just your classic spaghetti recipe. So he is just boiling the noodles. We honestly love cooking up spaghetti because we keep that in the fridge for days and we eat it for lunch and dinner. Like, at least for like 2 days, we're eating spaghetti. So I love the fact that it's like so easy to just make a big batch of it. Vaughn loves it. Everybody loves it. And it's just great. So here we are just stirring in the pasta with the sauce. Well, not we, he is. And here is the finished product. And then we just had them with some garlic knots on the side. You guys, it is very late at night. It is currently like 3 in the morning and I'm just getting some work done. I did my hair. We're looking cute. But I just wanted to come on here and end this vlog. And also when I was looking at the finished video, I was like, I don't want it to make it seem like we just eat those like 3 solid meals a day, because honestly we do snack. Like Vaughn will have like little crackers throughout the day. We actually ended our night, me and Vaughn shared like a bag of popcorn with some ranch seasoning. I might eat like an ice cream cone to like end my night, like those like little drumsticks, what I'm talking about, with like the chocolate coating. I'll eat one of those, or I'll have like raisins throughout the day. Like literally we still snack, so don't think we just eat like those 3 meals and it's like that's it. So yeah, things like popcorn, like Cheez-Its, Goldfish, we'll kind of snack on those throughout the day. And then obviously my Verb energy bars, again, don't forget to check the link down below. What else do I snack on during the day? That's pretty much it. I mean, sometimes like we'll go out for ice cream and things like that, but that's pretty much the gist of what we eat. Again, we're not super strict in our diet. We don't really, you know, deprive ourselves of anything. We just try to enjoy everything in moderation. Honestly, today was a special day. I honestly don't eat as carb heavy as I did today. Obviously I don't eat that bagel every day. I know I make it seem like it, like on Instagram especially, I'm always posting that bagel on my story, but that bagel really was like a big like chunk of like what I ate today. But I don't usually eat like that much bread in a day. But yeah, guys, as I said, we do snack throughout the day. Yvonne does eat things like goldfish and, you know, raisins and dry fruit. And sometimes I'll make him a smoothie, he'll eat yogurt. So literally every day is different, which is why I want to keep doing these like what we eat in a day. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it gave you guys some ideas. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe down below for more videos. And let me know what other videos you guys want to watch. And don't forget to turn on your post notifications so you never miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you again for our next video. Bye, guys.